Welcome to another inspiring story on Learn English Through Tale. In this story, you will not only learn valuable life lessons but also improve your English skills in an easy and effective way. By listening to this story, you will learn new vocabulary words with meanings, understand sentence formation and pronunciation, improve your English listening and speaking skills, get inspired to stay patient, and work hard for success. Now, let's begin our journey with this wonderful story. The Power of Patience and Hard Work. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young boy named Ryan. Ryan was intelligent, but he lacked patience. He always wanted quick results and got frustrated when things did not go his way. One day, Ryan saw an old man planting a tiny seed in the ground. Curious, Ryan asked, "Sir, what are you planting?" The old man smiled and replied, "This is a mango seed. One day, it will grow into a strong and fruitful tree." Ryan laughed. "But that will take too long. I don't have the patience to wait for years just to eat a mango." The old man chuckled and said, "Everything great takes time, my boy. The best things in life are not instant, but they are worth the wait." Ryan did not understand the wisdom in the old man's words. He wanted success quickly and easily. A few days later, Ryan's father gave him a small chick to take care of. "Son, if you take care of this chick, one day it will grow into a hen and lay eggs. You will have fresh eggs every day." Excited, Ryan agreed, but after a few days, he grew impatient. The chick was growing too slowly. He wanted eggs now, not months later. Frustrated, he stopped feeding the chick properly. Soon, it became weak and did not survive. Ryan felt guilty. He realized that he had been too impatient. He remembered the old man's words and decided to change. From that day on, Ryan promised himself to work hard and be patient. Years passed, and Ryan became a successful farmer. He took care of his land with love and patience. He learned that good things take time and hard work always pays off. One day, Ryan walked past the same old man's house. There, he saw a big mango tree full of juicy mangoes. The old man smiled and said, "See, my boy? The seed I planted years ago has grown into a strong tree. Patience always brings rewards." Ryan smiled and nodded. He had learned the most important lesson of his life. A new challenge for Ryan. As Ryan's farm grew, he faced another challenge. His crops were not growing as fast as he expected. He had worked hard, but the results were slow. Remembering the lesson he had learned, he did not give up. He continued watering the plants, taking care of the soil, and ensuring they had enough sunlight. One evening, a traveler came to Ryan's farm and asked, "How do you manage to stay so patient while waiting for your crops to grow?" Ryan smiled and replied, "I have learned that nature has its own time. If I rush it, I will destroy what is meant to flourish beautifully." The traveler was impressed and said, "Many people lack the patience to achieve their dreams. Your wisdom will take you far in life." Months later, Ryan's farm flourished. His fields were green, his crops were healthy, and he had more produce than ever before. He not only fed his family, but also helped the poor in his village. One day, a young boy approached Ryan and said, "Sir, I want to be successful like you. What is your secret?" Ryan kneeled down and replied, "Hard work, patience, and dedication. Success is not a race. It is a journey. If you work consistently and believe in yourself, you will achieve your dreams." Moral lesson: patience and hard work always lead to success. Nothing great happens overnight. Good things take time, effort, and dedication. Vocabulary. Words: patience. The ability to wait calmly. Frustrated. Feeling upset when things don't go as expected. Chuckle. A quiet, light laugh. Survive. To stay alive. Dedication. Strong commitment to a task. Flourish. To grow in a healthy and successful way. Commitment. The state of being dedicated to a cause. Wisdom. Knowledge gained through experience. Important words. Success. Hard work. Rewards. Farmer mango tree life lesson. Dedication, growth, nature. Life lesson? If you want something great in life, you must be patient and hardworking. Success does not come instantly, but with time, effort, and persistence, you will achieve your dreams. This was the story of the power of patience and hard work. If you enjoyed this story and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next story.